Busy watching Ant-Man while this is going on. We're at Morningside, so yeah.
That's it, guys. Yes. Yes. You got it. You got it. Come on. All right, let's fly, Anthony.
Okay. Hope my neighbors give off one more time and then they should be done. I hope.
Yes, man. He's in the building. Bill's pulling up. Right on time. Got a Crown Vic right outside.
Over there.
Wrong room. Considering the Crown Vic's the most common police car for undercover cops. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is a problem. Let's go. Oh, no.
I'm deploying the bullet ants. Papanera, Clarinamer. I don't remember what it's called, but I feel bad for this guy.
See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I call an unfortunate casualty and a very serious operation.
My neighbors are very considerate. They don't give off too many. At all. Of course it's blocked by the tree.
Looks like Pam in the rest. Yeah, bro.
Problem? What's the problem? Dick? It's the fucking train.
This is me. I get in this building. That's all for you, man. Problem solved.
Of course, multiple. We don't have too many neighbors who let off fireworks. We have some Hindu neighbors. There's one on that side. Our next door neighbor did it last year, but I don't think he's here this year. So yeah, we're quite fortunate in the way we live. I'm trying to get most of the action, but yeah, this is from Morningside. We've got a nice view.
Arriving in second position.
Sometimes during the year I'd sit on the roof and watch, but not this year. I'm busy watching Ant-Man.